starting day of this program, and classes will be starting from core classes will be starting from November 1st. Apart from that, if you have any queries individually, you can ask queries. We'll be explaining you. And later, Life Guru Archana Krishna Garu, she will have a 5 minutes or 10 minutes talk with you all. Later, we'll close the session. Any queries, you can ask.
I have one query, Chandrasekhar Garu.
Yeah, Jagan Garu.
For this course, right? I think you are taking the shlokas from different. It's from the same book but different shlokas, right? So,
Yes.
do we have that consolidated book, or do we need to refer to online the Bhagavad Gita or something like that?
Okay, sir. Sir, regarding shlokas related, you can have only interpretation book is not required. Only if you have some shlokas related, that book is enough. First thing. And next thing is we'll explain you, while explaining those shlokas, we will tell you which chapter, which shloka. Okay. So you can have a 5 rupees, 10 rupees books will be there, Bhagavad Gita related, which are, I think, Gorakhpur Plus is the one of the press which is having. Otherwise, you can also have the shlokas, a PDF file from the websites also. So you can have that particular, only shlokas is required, interpretation is not required because some books comes with interpretation, but we required if you have that particular book either in a PDF format or in your hand, on that day when we tell that this particular chapter, this shloka, chapter 1, 12th shloka, if you are chanting today, so for your reference, you can keep that book.
I think my question is more on like we are going to discuss something, either it is a management or psychology or something like that, right?
Yes, sir.
So further to refer later, okay, after 4 weeks, if I want to refer like, okay, what I learned or how should I be prepared for the assessment, right? So
Yes, yes.
will there be any course content, any
No,
book
sir.
or something like that?
No, sir.
Okay.
No.
Okay, great. Thank you.
If you have other materials, we can share because whatever we are discussing related, those interrelated material, whatever is there, we'll share with you.
Okay.
Group related, but specifically, we don't have any course book related. We are not prepared.
Thank you.
I think you are asking something like MBA related. If a marketing book is there for course related, complete material will be given. In the same way, we are not giving, sir. We are not prepared that content.
Okay. Great.
Thank you.
That's okay. Matlab, you have not having a exclusive course material for the course is okay.
Yes.
Also, I mean, if I have understood Mr. Jagan's question right, he's trying to find out if we have the whole Gita as a book, will that have all the shlokas in it? Whereas when you are, say, suppose from chapter 15, you are reading a certain shloka, and in that 5 rupees, 10 rupees book that we buy, will it have all those shlokas of all the chapters?
Yes, ma'am.
How is it?
Yes, ma'am.
That's what.
Yeah, all the shlokas will be there. Whatever book is there, it will be having only shlokas will be there. So all chapters, 18 chapters, 700 plus shlokas will be there. Once we'll tell whatever the shlokas are there, those particular shloka, you can refer from the book.
Okay, if you can, maybe search for an online book where it will have all these shlokas, the 701 shlokas that you are referring to. If you can share that link on the WhatsApp group that you have created for us, where we can buy it online, that will be helpful so that we can procure it. When you are saying go to chapter 12, or you say go to chapter 20, then we already have a book and we are not scouting for the book when you are telling go to chapter 20.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I think that will help us.
Yeah, that will help. But here, what is the problem is like there are people from other states. Something like you're from Karnataka. Are you familiar with Telugu? Are you familiar with Sanskrit scripture? Or you need to?
No, maybe I would prefer to
Kannada
have
language.
English. English,
Ah,
English.
so
I'm referring to English as a standard language.
no, no,
But
or
somebody wants to procure their mother tongue language, it's up to them.
shlokas. You want shlokas to be in English?
Yeah,
Okay, sure.
because
We'll
I
just
can't
see that
read
because
other
different
local language.
people will read either in Devanagari script. People can read, or in their mother tongue. Or third option is something like English related. We'll see that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
English related, if you can, that will be great.
Sure. Sunil Garu.
yeah, hi.
Yes. Yes.
Sorry to bother. So yeah, Chandrasekhar Garu, that was my question too, actually. So I don't know, some madam has spoken. Yeah, that's exactly my question too. So I think there are some top, 3, 4, languages that our group might be, having, right? For example, all I see some 30, 40 people actually who gathered here, right? So
Yeah.
if we know what are those top 3 languages or top 4 languages, if you can share, if at all, if you have those things, like for example, I prefer to read it in Telugu,
Yeah.
and like the other madam said, she wants to read it in English.
English.
Right? Yeah, if you can share those links, that will be of extremely great help.
Sure. Definitely. See, whoever are joined from this particular group, they are either from Hindi speaking or Kannada, Orissa, Maharashtra, they are there. And from Tamil Nadu, we have people. Kerala, we have.
I see.
Okay. So from almost from India, from various districts, I think from Chandigarh, Punjab also someone has joined. So these are the states they have joined, but majorly, except from South India, North Indians can read that Hindi language, except for South Indians, we can share. Apart from that, English will be there. We'll do this, that particular thing in this particular week. Anyone later, if anyone want in a specific language, we can share that PDF also. That will be better. So that
Thank you.
we will share that files.
Thank you. And
Sir?
one other question which I have is, one other question which I have is, so let us say if anybody misses one of the classes, right?
Yes.
Is there a way that you would be sharing these recorded sessions so that we can go through it and kind of, be aware of what I have missed? For example,
Yes.
on some Sunday, I had
See,
to travel.
actually, regarding that one, what we planned regarding missing this particular session, we will talk to people who have missed that particular session, okay, and see that we will arrange a session. We'll play that particular file once again. It is not like we are not share. We are going to share a video file related, because once again we need to upload it to any Google Drive or something. Okay, so everything if you are uploading, then data will not be enough. So for that, what we are planning is it will be there in the system. So if you want to join something like Sunday, you missed out, you have a time somewhere in the Monday in the night, 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, you are free. Then you can join the Zoom session and we'll play that particular file. Is that fine?
Okay, meaning will there be again some pre-scheduled sessions, or will it be? I didn't get that. So, for example, I missed a Sunday session. Then you're saying that I could join the session on Monday, right? But are they pre-scheduled, or
No. Those are because we don't know when people will be required to join. Okay, so Sunday, if someone is not somewhere, Sunday someone is absent, so they can talk to us to arrange that particular session. We'll talk to everyone, whatever the time period is there, we'll just allot that particular time and see that that file can be played. That's how we are planning. Anywhere in that particular week.
Okay, all right.
Okay. Apart from that, we'll also see for the alternative related. If someone is required to be share that file, so how we need to upload it and how it can be managed, that can be. Only request what we can request is like, don't share with any other one.
Yeah, that's absolutely that's fine. Yeah, I think that trust we should have actually.
Yes, that's all. Karthik Garu, you have any question? Mic on, Jane. You're on mute. Right.
Yes. Your video section is very good, sir. Excellent.